dear friends and reputable teachers and chairpersons. First of all, thank you so much giving me this opportunity. Today is topic women empowerment. What is women empowerment? Women empowerment is a giving equal rights. Women empowerment giving power of women. Uh, it's mean women is independent. It's allowed take their decisions. Education is a play important role in women empowerment. Uh, Women empowerment in India. Women empowerment in India has a long story. The Raja Ram Mohan Rai. The Raja Ram Mohan Rai was first started women empowerment by closed Sati Pratha. Mother of women empowerment is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa received Bharat Ratna Award in 1918. Now I talk to about basic rights of women, rights of maintenance, rights of equality, right of against dowry. Dowry. Many schemes are launched by government, like BBP, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, MSK, महिला सशक्तिकरण. Now I talk politics. The Indira Gandhi was the first politician in India. She is first Prime Minister of India. Now 10 to 5% member of parliament. Before 1970 to 1918, this ratio is 4.23. 4.3. My mother is my role model because she is a working woman. She is a working medical field. So my mother is inspired to me. In 2023, best example of girls, IS Divya ma'am. She is lost father, but she worked hard and becomes IPS officer. First attempt in UPSC, second attempt IS officer in UPSC. UPSC is a very hardest exam in India, but girls is equally participate in UPSC. My brother and my father supported me. In my house, girls and boys treated same. Treated equally. My father is not higher educated, but my father thought is very good. Women and men working in workplace, but come in house. Women is work housework. Women is done housework. Men is not. So this sentence is proof that woman is stronger than men. Now, army, the Indian army given opportunity in women started 205. The Dr. Seema Rao was first commando lady trainer. She is inspired to girls. That's all. Thank you so much.